Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna be unpacking the tray that I purchased from IKEA yesterday. This is for my painting. I have been looking for something that I can organize all of my brushes and stuff like that. I have a tiny tray, but they're supposed to be for the corners. It's so tiny. It's not enough for all of my brushes and tools for my painting. So let's go ahead and get this going. Okay, here's the first part. Here's the second layer of the tray. They have 3 different colors, by the way. So I picked up this olive green. They have black and they also have a white, but they're oversold. I'd like to get the white, but the white is oversold. So I just picked this up because IKEA from us like 1 hour drive. So it's a little bit far. I'm not gonna go back. So another one. Okay, now let's go ahead and figure this out. We have 4 wheels, 6 of this, 4 of that L shape, and comes with these tools. And we have 3 of this. All right, by looking at the pictures, I probably do not need to read it already. Came without tools. That's nice.
There.
Ah!
You weren't even turning it. You were just stripping it.
Okay. Thank you, my love. One more to go. Okay, here we go. Oops. Nice. All right. There we go. That's so nice. Okay, let me tighten it up. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and put this together. All right. One in this side. And let's do the other side. One more. Hallelujah. Next. So we gotta do this one, that one. Here we go. We need the second layer. And then the last one. Okay. Okay, so now the guide says I have to lay them this way. All right, hold this one first. We'll put this one in. I'll be on this side because I am right-handed, so I like to do that. And tighten this up like this. Let's do the other side. Just tighten it a little bit, not all the way, so I can do this one. Perfect. Now let's go the other way. There we go. All right. Here's my old tray. Very tiny. These are all my stuff, my painting stuff. And as you can see, this is very narrow. I'm just trying to save space, but apparently I have a lot of paint bottles and containers and brushes. It's this tiny tray is just not enough, so I think this would be suffice. So let's go ahead and organize. This, I could use this in the bathroom, put all of my, the bathroom cleaners, Clorox and stuff like that. So this is perfect in the corner, save space. Okay, I found a place for this tray, but I think this would be best. I push it all the way at the back. It's perfect in the corner. What do you think? Or either way, I could pull it out and leave it here in the corner. Doesn't matter. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if this is your first time, please support my channel by liking and subscribing if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.